class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, today we are going in the yesterday's lecture, we solved activity number 7. We studied about Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So today we are going to start with the meanings and the question answers of this activity. Let's see the meanings first of all. Senior, that means older. To praise, that means to admire. To reward, that means to give prize. To inquire, that means to ask. To impress, that means to amaze. Overcast, that is cloudy. To believe, that means to trust. To fine, that means to punish by asking to pay some money. To arrive, that means to come. To whip, that means to cry. Hurt, upset. To accuse, that means to blame. Now let us discuss the question answers. The first one is suggest a suitable title for the above story. The story of Gopal Krishna Gokhale which we saw. We need to suggest a title for the same. So the answer to this can be truth always wins. What do you learn from the story? We should always speak the truth. Truthfulness is appreciated by all. So as we saw in the story that how Gopal Krishna Gokhale got the reward of his truthfulness. Even Mahatma Gandhi also got the reward for his truthfulness. So truthfulness is always appreciated by all and we should always speak the truth. Find out a similar story based on truthfulness and tell it in the class. So here we are going to discuss a story. If you have any such story, you can write it on your own. Otherwise, I am sharing a PDF file in which this story is given. You can write the same in your fair book. Even though Gandhiji was not a bright student, he tried his best at studies. One day, an incident took place at the school which Gandhiji could not forget till his end. This incident took place when he was doing his first year of studies. So, here is a story of Mahatma Gandhi, who was a bright student. He was not a bright student during his school time, but then also he tried his best at studies. One day, an incident took place in his school which he could not forget, and this incident took place when he was in his first year of studies. One day, an educational inspector came to Gandhiji's school. He entered Gandhiji's class in order to inspect the learning and teaching process. He gave 5 words and asked the boys to spell it on the slate. So here it happens when an educational inspector came in Gandhiji's school and started to inspect the learning and teaching process. He gave 5 words and told the boys of that class to spell it. One of the word given by the inspector was kettle. Gandhiji had misspelled the word kettle. This was noticed by the class teacher. The class teacher tried to prompt Gandhiji with the point on his boot to copy the spelling from the neighbor's slate. Gandhiji did not want to do anything wrong. He knew copying was wrong and untruthful. Gandhiji also thought that the teacher was there to supervise the students and to see that none of the students copied. Thus, Gandhiji did not copy from his neighbor's slate. So here it happened that the word was given kettle and Gandhiji has written that word in a wrong manner, and hence when the teacher came to notice it, he told Gandhiji to copy it from his neighbor's slate. But Gandhiji knew that doing such thing, copying, was a wrong and an untruthful thing. So therefore Gandhiji did not copy anything, and Gandhiji also thought that the teacher was there to supervise the student and to see that the students are not copying, but instead of that, the teacher was helping other students to copy and write the same, and thus Gandhiji did not copy from the neighbor's slate. When the results were announced, Gandhiji was the only boy in the class who had not misspelled that word correctly. Not spelled that word correctly. All the students had written all the 5 words with the correct spelling. Even though Gandhiji felt ashamed and shy due to the poor score which he had received, he never learned or did the wrong act of copying in the days of his life. And hence, even after the result came, Gandhiji was the only student that who did not spell all the 5 words correctly. For that reason, he felt ashamed and shy but did not copy, and hence he knew that doing the wrong act of copying is not good in life, and hence he never did any wrong act during the days of his life. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. I'm sharing a PDF file and you can write the same in your Fitbook. Thank you and have a nice day.